Meditation is pretty commonplace these days, but 30 years ago, when I first heard of it and heard about its benefits, I was skeptical. I thought it sounded pretty woo-woo and spiritual in a way that I didn't want to go there, so I avoided it. But in the last decade, when I started into entrepreneurship, there was so much going on in my head, I really needed to make some space. Meditation allows you to observe your thoughts and make more space between them, especially in this day and age of the internet and images and messages coming at us continuously. We need to make space in our lives for just being still and being silent and creating more and more space between those thoughts. When I learned how to meditate, it was through an app called Headspace. And this is what Headspace has to say about meditation. That meditation isn't about becoming a different person or a new person or even a better person. It's about training in awareness and getting a healthy sense of perspective. You're not trying to turn off your thoughts or your feelings. You're learning to observe them without judgment. And eventually, you may start to even better understand them as well. Mindfulness is the ability to just be present, to rest right here in the here and now, fully engaged with whatever you're doing right in the moment. Meditation is a skill. Learning to meditate is like learning any other skill. Think of it like exercising a muscle that you've never really worked out before. It takes consistent practice to get comfortable, and it's usually easier if you have a teacher like Headspace. And there's no such thing as a perfect meditation. Sometimes your focus will wander or you'll forget to follow your breath. And that's okay. It's actually all part of the experience. What's most important is to meditate consistently. It's a practice. It's one of those things where the journey is more important than the destination. I hope that you take some time to learn how to meditate. And if you already meditate, drop a comment below and let me know what you get out of it. How does meditation serve you in your life? I'm Joanna Ray, and I'll talk to you in the next video.